Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 2.2.
First of all, understand this term, expanded form. Take this number. Let us fill this number in this place value chart. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now fill up the number here. 6, 5, 0, 4, 2, 1 and 3. So what is the place value of 3 here? 310 lakh. Place value of 1 is 1 lakh. Place value of 2 is 210,000. Place value of 4 is 4,000. Place value of 0, it is 0 because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Place value of 5 is 5 tens and place value of 6 is 6 ones. So what we have seen, expanded form of a number is sum of the place values of all the digits. Sum of the place values of all the digits in a given number. Based on this, let us start question A. Here we have to expand this number 14 crore 70 lakh 20,000. So place value of 1 is here 10 crore. Place value of 4 is 4 crore. Place value of 7 is 70 lakh. There is no lakh place, so we will put 0 here. Then place value of 2 is 20,000 and there are zeros there. So we will complete here only because there is no other number beyond 20,000. This way we have to expand. Next is standard form. Standard form is the opposite of expanded form, where the expanded form of a number is written in a short form which is easy to read and write. Fill this number in the place value chart 5 lakh. There is no 10,000 place, so we have written 0 here. Now 2,000, 600, 110 and 1. So the number will be 5 lakh 2,611. Take one more example. Write the standard form of each. 8 crore 60 lakh 70,000 5,000 and 2. So fill up this in the place value chart and what you have seen, the answer is 8 crore 60 lakh. No lakh place, so we have put 0 here. Then 10,000 means 70,000, 5,000, 0 because 0 is here. 100 place there is no 0. 10's place there is no digit, that's why we have written 0 0 here, and 2 at 1's place. That's why our number is 8 crore 60 lakh 75,002. This we have to do this type of question. Next is predecessor. Predecessor is the number that comes just before the given number. When we subtract 1 from the given number, we get its predecessor. The number here is 1 crore. If we subtract 1 from 1 crore, we will get 99 lakh 99,999. So 99 lakh 99,999 is the predecessor of 1 crore. So this way we have to do all questions given in question C. See, 14 lakh 32,121. What comes before it? 14 lakh 32,120. Next is 69 lakh 5,070. What comes before 70? It's 69. So the number is 69 lakh 5,069. What comes before 1 crore? It is 99 lakh 99,999. This way, this type of questions we answer. Successor is the number that comes just after the given number. If we add 1 to a given number, we get its successor. Suppose the number is 5 crore 29 lakh 79,499. If we add 1 to this number, we will get 5 crore 29 lakh 79,500. So this way we will do other parts. If we add 1 to 17 lakh 35,000, we will get 17 lakh 35,001. If we add 1 to 3 crore 16 lakh 12,319. What comes after 19? 20. So the number will be 3,16,12,320. This way you will do all parts of this type. Next is comparing and ordering large numbers. Before comparing the numbers, we have to follow certain rules. We have to see the number of digits in each number. 3 to 5 to 7. Here are 7 digits. 3 to 5 to 7 and 1 8 digits. So the number which has more number of digits will be the greater number. The next is, if the number of digits are same, here 3 to 5 to 7 1 8 digits, 3 to 5 to 7 8 digits. Digits are same. Then we will start comparing from the very left. So both the numbers have 8 digits. We will start comparing from the left side. In crores period, 8 and 8. Both digits are same. Then lakh period. In lakh period, both digits are same. Then come to thousand period. In thousand period, the number is 54 and here the number is 45. So which is greater? 54 is greater or 45 is greater? 54 is greater, that's why we will put greater sign here. Take one more example. Again count the digits. 3 to 5 to 7 1 8 digits. 3 to 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 digits. So digits are same. Start comparing from the left side. Crore period 1 and 1 both are same. Then we will compare lakh period 50 and 50 both are same. Then compare thousand period. Thousand period is also same. Then come ones period. In ones period it is 9 only and here it is 109. So which is greater? 109 is greater than 9. Therefore this number is greater than this number. So we have to follow the rules while comparing the numbers. Now the next is ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to the greatest. Means we have to see first of all the number of digits in each number. This number has 8 digits, 9 digits and 6 digits. So it is clearly understood that this number has 6 digits. So this is the smallest number. We will write here first of all. Then we will compare the numbers which have same number of digits. This number has 8 digits and this number has 8 digits. So we will compare the crore place. Here it is 5, here it is 3. So 3 is smaller than 5. So the next number will be 3 crore 7 lakh 45,678. Then will come 5 crore 38 lakh 97,390. In the last we will write 18 crore 76 lakh 1,234. This way we will arrange all the numbers in ascending order. Now comes descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. We will follow the same method. We will count the number of digits. This has 8 digit. This has 9 digits and this has 7 digits. So the number which has the maximum number of digits will be placed at first place. So 18 crore 60 lakh 11,304 will come at first place. Then we will compare these two, 3 crore and 2 crore. So which is the greatest among these two? 3 crore. So we will write 3 crore 81 lakh 23,139. Next is 2 crore 17 lakh 50,126. Then the last will be 12 lakh 33,456. This way we will arrange all the numbers in descending order. That's all for today. Bye bye.